push this down.
Grip as high up on there as you can. Nope. Don't put your thumb behind the slide.
I figured it was fairly similar. So.
That's good. Don't do that. Put it under that. Yeah. Well. Perfect. Now just squeeze real nice and slow.
I'm freaking out.
You got it.
Is it gonna come back and hit me in my face?
Nope.
The shell?
The shell should come out this way, like this. Don't. You gotta put it down range. You gotta keep that up there.
The shells are hitting me.
If you stand against this wall, then it won't.
Beautiful. That is nice. Very nice.
Very, very nice.
Are you having fun? Yeah. You know, sore muscles, but. That's
Nice.
very nice. I like it.
Yeah, that's so cute.
Huh?
That's y'all's boss. Have at.
Alright.
It's freaking me out.
What's freaking you out?
Right next to me, it's freaking me out.
Did it burn you?
Yeah.
I'm afraid you're about to show me up here. So.
I got burned. It's gone now. Just a while ago. Nice.